Hello family, and welcome back to the channel, This Perfectly Imperfect Life. I'm Tony, and today I'll be participating in the $5 2019 Spring Goodwill Challenge hosted by Hillary over at This Old World Home. So if you're interested in seeing what I did for this season's Spring $5 Goodwill Challenge, stay tuned. Hello everybody, and welcome to this year's Spring 2019 Goodwill Challenge. This right here is my item. I want to show it to you. So I got it in the winter time, and as you see, it was green, and at the time that I got it, it was half off. It is a beautiful bird cage. So this is what I got for my $5 Goodwill Challenge. Let's see what I do with it. Okay, so friends, here's what I came up with. It's real simple, real basic. I had already these kind of like vase fillers. And then everybody knows that I love owls. So I'll put the owls inside. I'm actually going to go get some more vase filler so that it will kind of fill it up and cluster around it. But here we go. And then I have my gold vases on the table. And then my place settings. So it was real easy, real basic this year. I didn't do anything over the top for my Spring $5 Goodwill Challenge. But I'm loving it. And it's making my dining room look more springy and festive. Even though I'm using owls, and people might think they're for fall, but I love owls, so I'm using them all the time. So, that's what I did for my $5 Goodwill Challenge. Thank you all for watching, and as always, make each and every day amazing. Love you guys. Bye for now.